Hey guys, Nick here from Galaxy Motors Langford. Today we're going to take a look at how to jumpstart a car for when you're in a pinch. Let's take a look. Alright, so first thing, you're going to need your jumper cables here. Obviously, red for positive, black for negative. You're going to come over to the car with the good battery here first, and we're going to connect up, always connect up positive first, then your negative. And when you take the cables off, you want to do that opposite. I'll show you that. Then we're going to come over to our other ends. It's important to keep them separated or they will spark. We're going to come over to the bad battery here, connect up positive first. And then this one here, the battery's actually in the trunk, so there's a little grounding post here. And we're going to connect up our negative just to that grounding post and should be good to go. What you'll do is you'll fire up the car with the good battery, let it run for a few minutes to charge up the other car, and then it should be good to fire up and to go. Perfect. Now, when the cars are all fired up and ready to go, we're going to take the cables off, and like I said, we're going to take them off in reverse. So first thing, take off your grounding first, your negative, and then your positive. And remember to keep these separated because they're still hooked up, or else you will get sparks. And then same thing, black first, negative, then positive, and then should be good to go.